God gave me on my ball and lay. Say, I be there also time to pay, oh, you pay, but come on, yeah, and so you not get to pay them. It's not a sachet of my relay, but you got them no go save people. About me, you are me so cable. No school set, pull up, I will. Shakara, pull up, I will. Cash out there, pull up, I will.
It's okay now. What's the song? Godwin, please, what do you have to say? He good, I be no good.
It's good, it's good.
Eh? I've been trying just a try.
It's good.
It's good.
Yeah, good evening, everybody. I love you. This is Jigbo Man reporting from Enugu State direct. I just want to thank everybody listening to me now. And the music you heard me playing in my car today was a wonderful music, and it's a new talent. I've been enjoying it throughout the day, delivering Jigbo to my customers. Okay, I found that music in OG Baba 1 platform. OG Baba is doing a wonderful work in Nigeria, and I love what he's doing, trying to change the mindset of our younger one for a better future. So OG Baba, this is Jigbo Man. Jigbo is a wonderful packaged food. I would like you to have a taste of this packaged food. I promise to give you 2 cartons of this Jigbo. 1 for you and 1 for your in-laws. I would like you to share this message until you get to OG Baba 1, so that you can receive his 2 cartons from Jigbo Man. I would like you to have a taste of this wonderful product. I know you will love it. You can also follow OG Baba in his Facebook ID. That is OG Baba 1. OG Baba 1. You can follow him up so that you see his good work. Okay, greet you all my people and thank you everybody, and say may the good Lord bless you all. Bye for now. Jigbo Man.